Hello everybody, welcome to judycental.com online classes for law exams. So today I will be discussing with you the cutoff of BHU LLM entrance test of the year 2021 which was held on September 30th 2021. So I would analyze the expected cutoff of this year by the help of previous year's cutoff. So let us start. So first let me tell you about the minimum and the maximum intake in the Faculty of Law. So this LLM 2-year Department of Law, the location is the Department of Law and the maximum seats available are 47. If I talk about special courses of study, BHU provides 2 special courses. First is LLM course in Human Rights and Duties Education. Location is Department of Law, BHU, and the minimum intake is 5 and the maximum intake is 20. If I talk about LLM 1 year, again the location is Department of Law, the minimum intake is 10 and the maximum intake is 25. That means suppose if the number of strength falls below the minimum intake, then that course will not start for that year. Then I'll talk with you about the reservations. So scheduled caste is scheduled tribes and each of this category seats are reserved for 15% and 7.5%. If I talk about OBC, BHU is offering 27% reservations excluding creamy layer. And EWS, so all of you know, the 10% reservation is actually provided for students in BHU LLM seat. And then 4th category belongs to persons with disability. And then I'll talk about the supernumerary seats, that means the extra seats. BHU employee wards, there is 15% supernumerary seats in all the courses including special courses shall be available for the sons, daughters including married daughters of permanent employees including those on probation. So this reservation is actually provided for the employees of BHU. Then paid seats. Paid seats are actually not exceeding 15% of the total number of seats. So out of the total number of seats, 15% are actually kept, not out of the total number of seats, extra 15% of the seats of the total number of the seat is actually provided for paid seats. And there is also one sports category, this is only 1 seat. Then I'll deal with you about the eligibility criteria. If I talk about LLM Master of Laws, duration is 4 semesters, that means 2 years. The eligibility conditions are 3-year LLB after graduation after 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern or 5 years LLB under 10 plus 2 plus 5 pattern recognized by the Bar Council of India, securing a minimum of 50% marks in the aggregate in LLB degree, a special course of study. So the eligibility criteria is minimum of 50% in your BLLB degree. And next I'll talk with you about LLM course in Human Rights and Duties and Education, also known as HRDE. And this is special course. Duration is 4 semesters, that means 2 years. Location is Faculty of Law seats. Minimum and maximum seats I have already discussed with you, and the fee is 30,000 per annum. Eligibility is again 3-year LLB or 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern or 10 plus 2 plus 5 pattern, and you need to have 50% mark in the aggregate in LLB degree, whether it is 5 years or 3 years. Then LLM course duration, and this is actually of 1 year. This is the university is providing for 1 year LLM course, and this is a special course. Location is again Faculty of Law in BHU, and the fees are 60,000 per annum. The eligibility is just the same, and you need to secure a minimum of 50% marks in your BLLB degree. Now I'll talk with you about syllabus. So this is a common test for LLM, LLM HRD under special courses of studies and LLM 1 year. So for all of these 3 courses, there is only one entrance exam which you have written just few days back. There shall be one paper of 120 minutes duration carrying 480 marks containing 120 multiple choice questions. So So the format of the questions were in MCQs, and there were total number of 120 questions. Total time allotted was 120 minutes. That means 2 hours. And also each questions were carrying 4 marks, and not 4 marks, actually 3 marks, and negative marking was only 1. So let us see. There will be common application process, common entrance test, and common counseling process for LLM, HRD, like I have already discussed with you. Then the evaluation and preparation of merit list of postgraduate. In this section I'll tell you like what is the minimum marks that you shall secure for getting your seat in BHU LLM. Entrance test of courses shall have CBT as the only component of assessment, computer based test. That means accordingly candidates shall be selected for admission in such courses in order of merit on the basis of marks secured in the entrance test conducted by the NTA, provided he or she fulfills the minimum eligibility criteria. That means the merit list will be prepared on the basis of the entrance examination marks that you have scored, and your paper, and you will be considered for the admission only if you fulfill the eligibility criteria of 50% in your BA LLB degree. For candidates belonging to general OBC categories, not less than 35% of the marks obtained by the topper of the concerned categories in the concerned entrance test. So I hope you understood. So suppose if there is one topper and he scored some marks. So if you want to get selected, or if you are actually expecting to get selected in this in the BHU LLM seat, then you need to score at least 35% of what the topper has scored to get your seat reserved in this university. For candidates belonging to SC, ST categories, not less than 25% of the marks obtained by the topper of the concerned categories in the concerned entrance test. So if you belong from SC, ST reserved category, then a 10% relaxation has been given. So suppose if in the SC, ST category, some person of this category only has scored the has scored this top score, then that person shall have to be, the other person who wants to get selected in the same category has to score at least 25% of the marks what the topper has scored. So this minimum qualifying marks are set on the basis of category wise. So general has a different merit list and the SC/ST has a different merit list. Then LLM regular and paid seat. Now I'll deal with you the cutoff of the previous year. So rank type is PCOH, that means physically handicapped, and the category is locomotor disability including cerebral palsy. So the first ranker scored 142 if I talk about the previous year, and the person who scored 30, he actually scored 15 marks. Then the rank type PC6, PC blindness and low vision rank. So these are the different categories under physically handicapped. So the person who scored 5th rank secured 93, and the person who scored 26, not scored 26, actually secured the rank 26, actually got 24 marks. Then PC multiple disabilities rank. So the person who actually secured 28th rank scored 17 marks, and the person who secured 33 rank scored -4. Then I'll talk with you about the other categories, the general, SC, ST, OBC, EWS. So the first person who secured the first rank scored 239, and the person who secured 52 rank scored 184. So I hope you got the idea of this year's expected cutoff. So if I talk about the last year, the general candidate, both male and female, the first rank holder secured 239 marks out of 360, because there were total number of 20 questions, and the total marks were actually 480 marks, not 360, because each question were carrying 4 marks. So it was actually 480 marks. So out of 480, the last year cutoff was 239 marks for the topper. Then OBC, the first rank holder secured 214 marks and the person who secured 12th rank scored 184. BHU general rank, first rank holder secured 225 marks and the person who secured 13th rank secured 184 marks. BHU OBC rank. So this BHU general and BHU OBC rank are nothing but it is actually applicable to the employees of BHU, the sons and daughters of BHU employees, both permanent as well as on probation basis. Then BHU OBC rank, the first rank holder secured 214 marks and the fourth rank holder secured 184 marks. EWS, the first rank holder secured 225 marks and the 14th rank holder secured 184 marks. Now I'll deal with you about the persons from rank 53 to 106. If I talk about general category, the 53 rank holder secured 183 and the person who secured 106th rank secured 166 marks. OBC rank is 13 181 to 25 166. SC, he secured, the first rank holder secured 167 and the person who secured second rank scored 166. BHU general from 14 secured 183 marks and 29 secured 166 marks. BHU OBC rank, 5th rank holder secured 176 marks. 8th rank holder secured 186 marks. EWS, the 15th rank holder secured 183 marks and the 27th rank holder secured 167 marks. Then general rank from 107 to 162. So the person who secured 107th rank secured 165 marks and the person who secured 162nd rank secured 155 rank. OBC 27 163 and 36 rank holder secured 155. ST, the first rank holder secured 160 to 160. BHU general rank means the first rank holder actually secured 160 marks. BHU general 32 163 to 48 155. BHU OBC rank, 9th rank holder secured 163 marks and the 12th rank holder secured 156 marks. EWS rank, the 29th rank holder secured 163 marks and the 39th rank holder secured 155 marks. Now general from 163 rank holder to 218. So the person who secured 163 rank scored 154 marks and the person who secured 218 rank secured 146 marks. OBC rank 37 154 to 53 146. SC rank, the person who ranked 3rd secured 152 marks and the person who got 4th rank, he secured 151 marks. BHU general rank from 49, this is 151 to 51 150. BHU OBC rank from 13 150 to 13 150. Means the person who secured 13th rank under BHU OBC category, he secured 150 marks. Employee rank, this is the first person who actually topped, he secured 150. EWS rank, so the person who secured 42 rank, he scored 150. Then rank type OBC male and female, this OBC rank from 59 to 104 rank holder, 145 and to 126. BHU OBC rank 16 145 to 32 136. PC locomotor disability including cerebral palsy LEC rank, the rank was the second person secured 131 marks. Rank type OBC male and female from rank 107 to 157. So the 107 person, the 107th rank holder secured 125 marks and the person who secured 157th rank scored 112. BHU OBC rank from 35 to 48. So the 35th rank holder secured 121 and the 40th rank holder secured 112. Rank time SC. The person who secured 6th rank scored 145 and the person who secured 65th rank, he scored 81. BHU SC rank, the first rank holder secured 125 rank and the person who secured 12th rank scored 81. Rank type is ST. BHU ST rank. So let us see. From second, the person who actually came second, he scored 129 marks, and the person who secured 41st rank, he scored 22. BHU ST rank, the first person, he actually scored 117, and the person who secured 13th rank, he secured 26. BHU employee, male and female, this is only employee rank. So the person who actually secured second rank, he scored 143, and the person who secured 16th rank scored 5. So this is the poll which I have conducted on my channel, and I have asked you how was the BHU LLM entrance question paper today, and also share the type of questions in the comment below. So like 60% of you have actually voted that this year the question paper was easy to moderate, and there are many people who actually feels that 13% of you actually feels that the paper was easy, and 27% of you feels that the this year paper was moderate to high level. So by this the previous year cutoff analysis and the poll which I have conducted on my channel, you must have understood that this year the cutoff will be around 250 for general, and there will be somewhere around 5 to 10% variations for other reserved categories. So this is the end of our session, and I hope you all have liked it. Do not forget to give a like, share, subscribe to the channel. So till we meet the next time, thank you and have a nice day.